In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Wise account to Amazon, so you can shop online using your Wise balance or local bank details. Let's jump right in. First, go to Amazon's website, log into your account, and click on Your Account. Scroll down and find the Payment Options section. Then click on Add a New Payment Method. Now, here's where Wise comes in. Open the Wise app, go to your borderless account, and select the card option for the currency you want to use, usually USD. Wise will give you a virtual debit card number, expiration date, and CVV, just like a regular card. Back on Amazon, enter those details under your new payment method and click Add Your Card. That's it. You're all set to use your Wise balance as a payment option on Amazon. Quick tip: if your purchase is in a different currency, Wise will automatically convert it, usually with a fair exchange rate. And if you ever need to update or remove the card, just go back to payment options in your Amazon account. If this helped you out, smash that like button and maybe drop a comment so I know you're good to go. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick money hacks. See you next time.